What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775, just a mile boy in Texas, back with another video. Today I got my review of the Jackmusic X3 Pro Waterproof Speaker. Yes, this is waterproof. I actually took a chance and took a shower with this thing, and for sure it is waterproof for the most part. And this speaker, you can get it on Amazon. It goes for around $50. Sometimes there's a little promo code. I'll leave a link down below so you folks can check it out. Now, I did an unboxing and first impressions of this speaker, and boy did it impress me. For $50, okay, you get a 40-watt speaker. Yes, you heard that right, 40 watts. Plus, you get really good crisp mids and highs. And the cool thing is, it's a plus and a small con, kind of, okay? The subwoofer is on the back, so it pushes out low-end sound on the back. So that makes speaker placement a little, not tricky. I mean, if you want to get the full range of sound, what I do, I get like a speaker, since this is sort of like a subwoofer's blowing out sound throughout the back. I put it like on a little tabletop, maybe about 10 inches away from a wall. That way it kind of bounces some of that low end forward. But then again, if you put this speaker in the middle of an open room, it's a room filling sound. It is quite loud. So let's go ahead and turn it on so you folks can hear. Now it's on. Oh, it paired already. See how quick that was? And I did attach the shoelace that they gave me. You see, I got it in a little knot here that I can adjust and whatnot. I had it hanging from my shower, and it sounded really good. Now the thing is, this part back here, this is the flap for the USB Type-C charger. So it takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge. And the battery life, that's the one, I think that's the one I guess some people call it a major con, but I don't think so. It got me about 6 hours, okay? That's okay. I mean, I could charge it after 2 days. You folks know I test my speakers out. I leave my speakers on low volume for about 3 hours a day, 2 to 3 hours a day. And on the second day, at the end of the second day, I had to charge it already. It's like, wait a minute, that's only like 6+ hours. So this thing had a full charge on it, and you're gonna get around, they said up to 15 hours, but that's like at, you know, medium volume, 40% or something like that. Now I rock my speakers full blast 24/7, okay, or as long as I can. Hence why the battery got drained so quickly. But with the USB Type-C right there, Type-C charger port, it charges in about 2 to 3 hours. And you got your SD card port, micro SD card port, and you got a 3.5mm jack. You got a connection that way. So, and the thing is, when you do take this into the water with you or the shower or whatever, make sure this thing is sealed closed, okay? Water gets in there, this is done. It's waterproof, but it's not human proof. Okay? people always mess stuff up. But let's go ahead and listen to the sound. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna turn it up. That's full blast. How's that bass? Speaker is good, okay? For what you pay for, you got to take into account, this is not an audiophile type speaker. This is a $50 fun speaker, okay? It's a speaker for the everyday casual, every person who wants to listen music on the go, and it's fairly durable. The build quality, okay? The build quality on this thing is solid, okay? I will not drop it on the subwoofer though. Be careful dropping it on the subwoofer. Don't throw it on like I did. Okay, it's my product. I bought it. No one sent it to me. I bought it. So I can't believe I actually took a shower with it, you know. I mean, I think I'm gonna start doing more tests like that, since these are not too bad, $50. So if they break, it's kind of on me, but it's only $50. Now, a speaker very similar to this, okay, is the Poweradd speaker. This was a $60 speaker, $60+ speaker. This was close to like 65, and this one was right at $50. Now, the difference between these two, this doubles as a power bank, okay? The battery lasts much longer on the Poweradd speaker. This has a 36-watt speaker as well. Now, when it comes to sound quality, the mids and highs, like I said, it's crisp, balanced. The bass, it's booming, it's thumping, okay? It's good bass. When if it's clean bass, it can get a little muddy at times, alright? Keep in mind, $50 speaker, okay? But the bass is banging, okay? It's thumping, it can hit low, and for the most part, it doesn't distort at high volume. Now, you throw on a bass track, okay, any type of bass song, I don't know, My Boo or something, you might get distortion, but for the songs that I've tested, they have not. Let's try another song. My other the bass. That's loud, okay? For a $50 speaker, it outputs room-filling sound. Now, am I happy with the purchase? I definitely am. If I had to rate this speaker, when I take everything into account, the build quality, the sound quality, the price per performance, what I paid for it, you add that all up, this speaker gets a 4.5 out of 5. Now, 1 being absolute garbage, okay, and 5 being the best thing ever since the day I was born, 4.5 out of 5. It gets a minus 0.5, okay, for the main reason that the subwoofer's on the back. Because I know I'm nitpicking here. I'm trying to nitpick. I wanted to give the speaker a 5 out of 5, but I have to be honest. The subwoofer in the back kind of, you know, it would have been much better if they found a way to make this a little bit longer and stick the subwoofer in the middle. That way you have all the sound facing you. That's just me being nitpicky. But other than that, that's the only thing I can knock off of it. Okay, 4.5 out of 5 is still a great score in my opinion. I don't know what you folks think about it, but the subwoofer being on the back, pushing low and out, and the mids and highs coming out the front, you see, it's pretty close to being a perfect speaker. And if you only got $50 to spend, you will not be disappointed picking the speaker up. Now, I don't know how the longevity is. I'll keep you folks posted on how this speaker goes. Okay, if it dies on me or whatnot, for the most part, 95% of the things that I've bought through Amazon, Newegg, and whatnot, they haven't broke on me. Okay, I've been lucky. Knock on wood. Okay. Now, for comparison, let's listen to what a $60 speaker sounds like. So I'm going to go ahead and shut off the X3 Pro waterproof speaker. Then I'm going to pair the Poweradd. Okay, this is a $60 speaker. Now, I'll let you folks be the judge. It should pair fairly quick. There we go. See how once you got it paired, these things pair fairly quickly. Always starts off at low volume, you see? Now I'm gonna push the volume up. Full volume. For $60 to $65, this has been my favorite speaker so far this year. Okay, for what I bought. Now, does it beat the X3 Pro waterproof speaker? In my opinion, now, this is my opinion, okay, it does slightly. If I were to give this a score, okay, I did a review on it, but I don't know if I really scored it or not, or if I did score it, I take that score back because I've been listening to these two speakers a lot, been comparing the two. Okay, the build quality is very durable. This is heavier as well, but this has a bigger battery. I forgot how long the battery lasts, but it's much longer than the X3 Pro waterproof speaker, okay? I think it's at least double the time, 12 to 15 hours, maybe longer. I gotta double check. I'll leave it down here, what it's listed for, because it's hard to test these speakers with long battery lives because you lose track. You know, you listen to them 2 hours here, 2 hours there, 2 hours there, then 6, 7, 8 days go by, and it's like, how many hours have I listened to it? You know, it's tough, okay? It's really tough. But the battery lasts quite a while. Like, if this, I was gonna rate this 1 being garbage and 5 being the best thing ever since the day I was born, this would get a 4.5 out of 5 as well. The only hiccup this speaker has, okay, this speaker does beat the X3 Pro in sound quality, rivals its durability. When I say sound quality, because of the bass is pushing, you can hear stereo sound coming out the front, okay? And that speaker, it's thumping. You can hear the bass. Everything's coming to you through the front. So that's the only reason why it beats it in sound quality, in my opinion. And the one con for this speaker is it distorts a little. Okay, on some songs it does at full volume. Let me see if I can get it to distort. You can definitely hear it. Let's go back to my other song. That woke me up. That's really right by my ears. You see, it's just a slight distortion to it, okay? So between these two speakers, 60-ish and 50-ish, alright, these two speakers are great. Now, I would, like, if I had to buy one today, I would go for the Poweradd because it also doubles as a power bank and it lasts, the battery does last a little bit longer. But if you only got 50 bucks to spend, you don't care about a power bank, you just want a tough, durable speaker with 95% the sound quality of this thing right here, okay? Like, puts out good, strong bass. Not as clean as the Poweradd, but pretty close. Your X3 Pro waterproof speaker will do the job just fine. But yeah, that was my little review of the Jackmusic X3 Waterproof Speaker. Fantastic little $50 speaker. And if you folks haven't checked out my review video of the Poweradd speaker, I'll leave a link down below. You can check this speaker out as well. But yeah, it's Guddang 775. Just a mile away in Texas. Hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments as well. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.